Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech News Updates X. India is on the brink of a technological transformation. Could semiconductor independence reshape its economic landscape? India's journey toward building a self sufficient semiconductor manufacturing ecosystem. With an overwhelming 95% of its semiconductor chips imported, India is facing a crucial challenge that impacts both its economy and strategic security. Worth over 1.7 lakh crore, about $21 billion annually. This reliance on foreign chips is now under scrutiny. These minuscule silicon chips are embedded in almost everything around us, from smartphones to military missiles. Despite their simplicity in appearance, the science behind their fabrication is anything but simple. It demands stringent manufacturing conditions, state of the art technology, and years of specialized knowledge. India, known for its prowess in software development and chip design, has struggled with establishing its manufacturing capabilities. Previous attempts to set up chip fabrication facilities, known as fabs, have been met with challenges, stalling the country's ambitions for decades. Recognizing the stakes, the Modi government launched the India Semiconductor Mission in December 2021, a landmark initiative amounting to 76,000 crore aimed at developing an integrated chip making ecosystem by 2030. This initiative markedly differs from previous efforts by significantly incentivizing private sector involvement, offering grants that can cover up to 70% of capital investments. Currently, 10 ambitious chip manufacturing projects are taking shape across various Indian states, including Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. Corporate giants such as Tata's and Micron are mobilizing billions in investments towards fabs and assembly lines, marking a robust shift toward domestic chip production. In addition to building infrastructure, there is a concerted effort to cultivate a skilled workforce. The government is urging educational institutions to engage in chip design and prototyping, backed by initiatives at the Semiconductor Laboratory in Chandigarh and Mohali. Experts assert that this movement is not just vital but foundational, equivalent to the steel or chemical industries. It encompasses a complex web of activities from design to fabrication, aimed at achieving self reliance while also seeking to bolster India's stature in high technology sectors. Success in this endeavor will rely heavily on forging partnerships with global leaders in the field and facilitating technology transfer from semiconductor powerhouses like TSMC in Taiwan and equipment manufacturers such as ASML from the Netherlands. This drive for chip production is part of a larger vision for India to position itself as a technological and geopolitical power amid the evolving landscape of global supply chains and growing international competition. India's semiconductor initiative aims to transform its import reliance into self sufficient production by establishing a robust manufacturing ecosystem. Key investments and skilling efforts are central to this mission, which seeks to leverage international partnerships for technology transfer. Stay tuned as we explore the implications of this shift on the global tech landscape and what it means for India's standing in the world. India's venture into semiconductor manufacturing represents a pivotal moment for its economic future. What do you think about this bold leap? Share your views in the comments, like this video, and subscribe to Tech News Updates X for more expert insights and analysis.